follow my steps to fix Spider-Man Remastered crashing. For the first step, I recommend going to the search and then type in NVIDIA. You will find the NVIDIA app appearing right here. You need to select it. If not, you need to go to their official website, download the application from there. Once done, go to drivers in the left menu and make sure to update your graphics card driver. You will find the download or install button in this place. Next, go to settings in the left menu and make sure to switch off the NVIDIA overlay like this. Once done, I want you to go to the Windows icon and then go to settings. You need to go to Windows Update and ensure that you installed the latest updates in order to avoid any compatibility issues. Even if you do have stuck updates, you need to go to update history and then scroll down. You will find the uninstall updates or recovery elements. You can follow up with that in order to fix your issue. Next, make sure to try terminating your launcher again. So go to the Windows taskbar and click on this upside arrow. You will find the Steam icon appearing. Right click on it and make sure to select exit Steam. Now wait for a couple of moments. After that, relaunch the launcher again. From here, go to the Steam icon top left corner and then go to settings. Next, go to storage and make sure to select the right drive that you have Spider-Man Remastered on. Next, click on these three dots right here and click on repair library. Once done, go to downloads and then scroll down and click on clear cache. After that, select confirm. Now go to library. After that, from here you will find all your games available for you. So you need to look for Spider-Man Remastered. Once you find it, you need to ensure that it is already installed on your device and click on this manage option. After that, click on properties, go to installed files. After that, click on this button, verify integrity of game files, to ensure that any suspicious or corrupted file will be automatically fixed and restored safely without the need to install the game from the start. Hopefully your problem is fixed. If you do find it helpful, make sure to share the video, like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.